Pull my finger.
Me what? Oh my god!
Excuse me.
But I'm just proud that I actually got up to go. I'm really gassy though.
Guess my fart. Guess my fart.